Hello students, welcome to Let's Learn CS Hub. In this video, we will discuss difference between hardware and software. माने hardware और software रो difference कौन आमे ताकू बुझिबा. So let's start. Hardware होची physical parts of a computer system. माने the physical part of a computer आमे ताकू कहिबा hardware. What is software? Software होची set of instructions or programs that tell the computer what to do. ताको हमें कहिबा सॉफ्टवेयर. देन नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, हार्डवेयर कैन बी सीन एंड टच्ड. माने हार्डवेयर को हमें कौन करि परिबा, सीन करि परिबा, टच करि परिबा. बट इन केस ऑफ सॉफ्टवेयर इट कांट बी सीन और टच्ड. थर्ड डिफरेंस, हार्डवेयर कंपोनेंट्स कैन wear out and need replacement, but software it does not wear out but may have bugs or errors. Fourth difference, it is manufactured in factories or companies, but software is developed or written by what? Programmers. Hardware example है गला monitor, keyboard, mouse, CPU, hard disk, printer, etc. In case of software example कौन है? Windows, MS Word, Chrome, VLC media player, Tally, etc. Thank you for watching this video. Keep learning, keep signing. If you understand my video, do like, share and subscribe.